Many of us will remember a number of years ago the tragedy that struck the city of Paris, and that was the burning of Notre-Dame. And now, years back, we can see the restoration. I'd like to give respect, in terms of etiquette-wise, where respect is due, to the masons and the artisans, the sculptors, who have managed to give back to the city and to the world Notre-Dame in a form as close as possible. It is because of their skills that they are able to share with us. This is not etiquette of dining or etiquette of drinking wine, but the etiquette of culture and philosophy. For many of us that we are watching this particular video now, in 100 years' time, none of us will be around, but Notre-Dame will. So it's in our care and in our respect as etiquette for all around. Thank you very much for watching our video. And if you liked our video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.